Hey traders, Akil Stokes here, and welcome back to another episode of the Trading Blog. I apologize for my absence, but last week I just had a lot of projects that needed to get worked on, but I think I made up for it with the massive Forex market preview that I put out on Sunday. In today's trading blog video, I want to give you a look at some of the trading that we had in our live trading room in our syndicate programs today using the range bar chart. This is going to be pure structure-based trading. Now, I kind of forgot to record the footage today in the live room, at least most of it. Fortunately, Jason Greystone was looking at a similar opportunity this morning in our syndicate war room. So what we're going to do in today's video is I'm going to show you a brief segment from our syndicate war room meeting. That's the daily meeting we have each and every morning at 8:30, where Jason Greystone takes you around the market and shows you what's on his radar. I'm going to give you a portion of that. I'm going to come back and then I'll show you how I went and traded it during our live room session.
Trading up that way, but we'll keep an eye on this. I'll keep you updated on this as well. And the other trade that I'm looking at, which is, well, there's a few to be honest. But the other one I'm going to share with you is the pound yen. So the pound yen, we've seen after putting in our double top up here, we've seen the market start to push down. Right, so this is now, if I can just get this to work. We're now pushing down, okay, and we're putting in new structure lows, and after breaking down, actually, Jason Stapleton actually called this move here last week. Actually, it was this move here after this ascending flag pattern here. He called this move, and we rolled over nicely. But since putting in a lower low, we've since put in a new lower low. So that means that this here is the previous outside return. So what I'll be looking at, let me just zoom in to this for you guys. What I'm now looking at is this being the kill zone. Now I'm just going to take off this pattern because that's not valid for me. Alright, so we've put in our lower low, lower close. And we're pushing back up into the previous outside return. Now what I need to do is work out where my stop loss needs to go. So if I'm using...
One of the cool things about all the educators here at Trade Empowered is that we all come from under the same umbrella. Jason Greystone was a student of mine. I was a student of Jason Stapleton. Jason Stapleton was a student of Todd Brown. So we all have the same philosophy when it comes to how markets move and really looking at a price chart. It doesn't mean that we always take the same trades. We don't always agree on everything, but typically if Jason Greystone is looking at something, it helps my analysis out. It helps Jason Stapleton's. We can all kind of connect and share ideas, which is pretty cool. And that's what we attempt to do in our syndicate program, giving you different eyes and different views on of the market from traders that have the same philosophy, but maybe go about their business in slightly different ways. Man, speaking of the syndicate, I showed you guys an equity curve a few weeks ago. I just want to give you guys an update. Look at what we've been doing. We've been on a tear. Now that I say that, of course, we're gonna hit a massive losing streak, but we've hit a tear, and that's good heading into the summer slowdown. So we still have that $1 per 30-day offer. So go ahead and sign up if you want to be part of this great comeback that we're making in the year of 2017. And here goes the footage from how I actually executed the trade down on the range bar charts, looking at the pound yen 1-to-1. Still keeping an eye on pound yen here for the shorts. We're about to get a lower low, lower close right here. I'm not going to get a 1-to-1 risk reward here, however, if this candle completes. Not going to get a 1-to-1 risk reward here. So I'm going to have to see if we get another thrust higher here. Just short of it. So we'll see if we get another leg up here, if we can get a 3-leg move up. Or if we get a double top up in this area. But this was the short that we've been looking for. We'll see if we get another move, another opportunity. All right, so yeah, so we have divergence here on the 240 chart. Still rolling over here. You can see we tried to do a little fake out here. Hopefully we got rid of, hopefully the market tried to get rid of some orders up here, and we'll see a move down. But right now, that's the only trade I'm in so far today. What I mean is hopefully the market did something like this. Hopefully We came up, maybe eliminated some stops right here, flushed them out the market. Maybe we'll see a move back downwards, or maybe we're doing the exact opposite. Maybe we'll come down, retest structure, and continue up and stop me out. Who knows? Who knows? Right now, it doesn't matter. We're in the trade, and the rest is up to the market. Before we shut down, we got two trades in working for us. We got the euro dollar, which has started to see a little bit of turnaround. We'll see if we can get a follow through on this. And then the pound yen, if you guys remember, looking at it earlier, took a short here. We're starting to roll down a little bit here on pound yen. We can go ahead and get stops down above our previous level of structure here. We can actually get them right above break even. Now that's going to be in the same area. And we'll see if we can follow through down to this level on pound yen. I will be shooting for a little bit lower targets as well. In my personal account, syndicate account, we only take one in, one out, so one target here. So we'll look to get everything off at about 57s. Actually, this should be about 59s. And we'll see how this trade progresses and how the euro dollar trade progresses. But good day, great conversation. Ooh, Grant Cardone called you Sunday. Ooh. All right, just wanted to return and continue this video. If you remember the pound yen trade we took earlier, we achieved target ones easily. And then we're right sitting at target two right now. The pound yen, I have a little bit higher spread on this pair than other pairs, so we really have to get through that level in order to get filled here. But you can see target ones were hit. The stop loss is in a level where I cannot take a loss, and you know, this has been a good trade. So once again, showing some cool opportunities here on the range bar chart. Starting off with using, I'm not sure if I showed you guys this part in the video or not, but using our higher time frame analysis to identify a reversal pattern and just putting together a good trade. So yeah, good stuff. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I apologize that it's not the full story. Again, I just didn't record today's live room until we were already looking at the trade, but hey, that's one of the benefits of being with us live each and every day. We're not always recording these sessions. They happen as they happen, and you know what? We're going to come into the live room tomorrow and do the same exact thing. We're pretty monotonous. We're pretty routine. We have a great ritual when it comes to our analysis, so we don't really deviate from how we look at a price chart. And that's what I tell traders all the time. Your first few days in a live room are often kind of panic mode. There's a lot of information, a lot of verbiage coming your way at once, and it doesn't make sense. But once you spend about a week with us, you get used to the routine. Oh, he's going to look at the daily. He's going to look at the 4 hour. He's going to look at the 60. He's going to look left, structure leaves clues. Look at the RSI. Look at the DSR, right? We do the same thing the same way each and every day. So it starts to make perfect sense rather quickly. And our traders can pick up on that in no time. So if you haven't been a part of it already, we do have a 1 week offer for our live trading room, a 1 week free offer. Right? That free makes everyone excited. So come in and hang with us. It's summertime. The markets are starting to get slow. You don't want to get sucked into the board trading where nothing's going on and you start executing trades just for the heck of it, just for fun, just to have some chips in the game or whatnot. That's a quick way to lose a lot of money. So you might as well spend 3 hours a day getting some reps in the market as far as analysis goes, and also spending it with a great group. We had a little heated discussion today on real estate investments and Bitcoin explanations, and it's just a fun time. So I hope to see you guys in there. If not, if your schedule doesn't allow it, make sure you sign up for our syndicate program. That's the next best thing you can do. And until next time, plan your trade, trade your plan. Good luck in the markets this week, traders. All right, traders, so I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our tradeempowered.com website, or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.